All right, so here we have two triangles that are actually forming a parallelogram in number 5. Notice that they actually share a side, which is the diagonal in the parallelogram. So we know automatically that they have one side in common, but we want to know what else do they share? What would allow us to prove that they are congruent? Which of these congruence theorems? Angle, side, angle, 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 angle. That is not a congruence theorem, actually, so you can get rid of that. That is a similarity theorem. Also, D is not a congruence theorem. C is hypotenuse leg there, but D is not either because that's side angle. That's not a congruence theorem. Hypotenuse leg is if we have right triangles, which this does not look like right triangles. We don't know that for sure, so we'll leave that open as an option, but as of right now, it doesn't look like those are right triangles. So we're leaning towards A, but we need to prove that. So again, they share that side. Now, they also share this angle and this angle, so DBA and DBC, or BDC, have to be congruent to each other because of alternate interior angles. This is two parallel lines with a transversal from B to D cutting across them. Those are alternate interior angles. Likewise, there's another set of alternate interior angles with CBD and BDA. So now, as you look at these triangles, actually by angle, side, angle, angle 1, side, angle 2, and then angle 1, side, angle 2, those triangles are congruent, so proven by angle, side, angle. Now in number 6, we are given that line A is parallel to line B. We know that those lines are parallel. We want to identify a pair of congruent alternate interior angles. Remember, alternate interior angles, they are just like it sounds. They're on opposite sides of the transversal, alternate sides, but they are interior. They are inside the parallel lines. So it's either got to be 4 and 5 or 6 and 3. So look at your answer choices there. 4 and 5 are not on there, but 3 and 6 are. So 3 and 6 are a pair of congruent alternate interior angles. And that will be your answer there, A.